I never made it, but I know what it takes.
Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Cordial Kind Care. I am Abhay Srivastava, the founder of Cordial Kind Care, and in our very first YouTube video, we are going to be talking about 12 top tips for prevention and precaution from coronavirus. So let's get started. So, the first step is to wash your hands regularly with antiviral or antibacterial soaps for 20 seconds. And in case the soap is not available, then you can also use hand sanitizers. The second tip would be to avoid touching your face, head, nose, mouth or eyes. This is because the coronavirus can live onto the surfaces for up to 72 hours and hence there is a chance that they can get from your hands to your body. So this is why we recommend you avoid touching your face. Our third tip is to avoid shaking hands and hugging other people. This is because skin to skin contact can also spread coronavirus. So you should better avoid touching other people's hands by shaking or hugging them and practice social distancing. Our fourth tip for you would be to not share your personal items with other people. And these personal items may include your comb, your grooming products, your makeup products, your phone and laptops, and other stuff. To bring to your notice, this coronavirus is found in high amounts in your mouth and nose. So in case you sneeze or you cough, we will recommend you to cover your mouth with either a tissue or some clothes or handkerchief. Next tip we will recommend you is to clean and disinfect the surfaces of your house, such as your doorknobs, your countertops, furniture, toys, anything that is in your house, and also the place where you keep packages and vegetables that you bring from the market, because there is a risk that they may have coronavirus sitting on the surface. The seventh tip for you is to practice social or physical distancing very seriously. This is because to avoid any social or physical contact with people who may have coronavirus, you can avoid the chance or risk of getting infection. So we recommend you to practice a very serious social distancing, and you should avoid at least a 2-meter distance from other people during this time. The eighth tip for you is to do not gather in any social gatherings, because if you go to any social gathering such as religious places, markets, movie halls or even parks, so there is a very high risk of infection because you don't know who other people are suffering from this virus, and if you come in contact with them, then you have an equal risk of getting infected. The ninth tip that we are going to share with you is to avoid eating or drinking at public places. It is because there is a risk of getting infected from the virus sitting on the food, utensils, cups of those restaurants, various coffee shops or bakeries. So it's better you do not eat out. And also there is a chance that they may get transmitted from people who come to those places. So we recommend you to eat home cooked food. And even in case you order and take delivery of food from outside, then it's better you reheat that food at your home before consuming it. Our 10th tip for you would be to wash any fruits or vegetables that you bring from the market with fresh running water. And we also recommend you to not wash these fruits and vegetables with any kind of soaps or detergents, because this may degrade their quality. But at the same time, wash your hands properly, and for those vegetables and fruits, do wash them with proper fresh running water before eating or preparing them. Now, as you are already aware that this coronavirus can infect from one person to another because of talking, sneezing, coughing or any like touching them. So we recommend you to wear a mask when you go out, and we recommend you to cover your mouth and nose properly whenever you wear a mask, and wear a mask for sure to when you go to the places where you cannot avoid physical distancing, such as any grocery store. Now, the 12th and last tip from our side to you will be to self quarantine if you feel unwell or sick. Do consult a doctor, and if you are sick and you have the symptoms, then prefer to stay alone and be in quarantine and avoid teaching, sleeping, or spending time with loved ones. Also, even if you are at home, do wear a mask regularly. Well, we really hope you find this 12 tips really helpful. And in case you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. At the same time, if you want to know more about this topic, you can visit our blog. The link will be in the description box. You can visit our website to know more about Cordial Kind Care services and products.